Model, 2017 VAUXHALL Combo L1 Diesel 2300 1.3 CDTI 16V 95ps H1 van Euro 6 start-stop low miles spares OR repairs ultra low miles bargain grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 63,881. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3 CDTI 95ps E6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Has been semi-stripped to check thoroughly the turbo needs replacing. Engine is 100% fine. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, parking sensors, electric